Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to delete subdomain. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So open your cpanel and then open subdomains, and you will find this option inside of this domain section. And scroll down, and here we can see I have a subdomain created on my cpanel. Now let's delete this subdomain. Simply click on this remove button and click on delete subdomain. So successfully the subdomain has been removed. If I click on go back, and here you can see no subdomains are configured. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.